What's up, my dudes? Over here on the Deepwater Channel with Chloe from Kamiko's Corner. And what are we doing today, Chloe?
We're jumping off the boat! We're the water, right?
Yeah. I want to see a backflip this time, okay?
I can't do that.
Here, you need a hand?
Yeah.
If you fall off and break your head, that's on you.
Ah, my knee.
You know what's a good spot to jump off of? That's really flat over there.
Oh, yeah.
All right, you say something ridiculous when you jump, okay?
Ooga booga!
What was that? Ooga booga?
I think so.
Okay.
I had no idea what I was saying.
Did you get water in your nose or something?
No.
And we got Rita working out. Can I film you or no?
No.
Okay. Is it tough because it's rocking?
No, it's actually pretty cool.
All right, Chloe, can you make like a witty comment for our viewers today?
Shout out to Bella again.
All right, this is a shout out to Bella, one of our followers out there. We appreciate your likes and your comments.
Yep. And also, yes, Nayeli is my cousin.
And for those of you watching for the first time, don't forget to like and or subscribe.
And comment.
Oh, and comment and press the bell
Favorite
button.
color.
I'm thinking this is a bad angle because I'm like looking at the sun. I don't know. All right, ridiculous comment, okay?
Also, comment your favorite color. Whee! Are you ready for our comments to blow up in colors?
All right, send everybody off, Tojo.
Bye!